Hey guys, I'm out here at this place I bought and doing some cleanup and found a crap load of mason jars. I guess I'll clean up the good ones and throw away the ones that ain't no good. I came across a few that I don't know that I remember. The Longlife mason. I don't really remember that one when I was growing up, or the Atlas mason either. I mean, I know the balls and the curves, I've got wide mouths. Actually, there's a whole big old pile of them, and actually there's another big pile of them behind the mobile home that's here. So I guess I'm gonna try to rehabilitate them, the good ones. The rest of them, that's broke. There ain't much you can do with them. Just get new rings for them and all that after I clean them up. But if any of y'all's heard of Long Life Mason or Atlas Mason, let me know. They may be pretty old. I'm not even sure how old they could be. But anyway, let me know in the comments. We'll talk to you later.